This is the best investment in the world today. It's called silver. And the reason I say that is because I study history a lot. This here is fake money. I would never work for this stuff. It's good as toilet paper. So the biggest investment today is this. This is 35 US. And I think everybody in the world can afford this today. And I tell people every day, you should buy this. No, I'll save this. You see, they don't know the difference between this is fake money, this is real money, and this here is gold. Real money, fake money. So the yen, the rupee, the dollar, the peso, all fake. So when I was 9 or 10 years old, I started finding that out. I said, how come they don't teach us money at school? Well, they don't want you to know it's fake.
Physical gold has been money for 6,000 years. Okay, is it going to be different this time? No, I can say that without any doubt. You know, a big part of the reason why I say that is because it's indestructible, but look at what central banks are doing for themselves. They've accumulated the most gold in 57 years. And after all, we know a rising gold price indicates a failing fiat currency. Do they want you to get out of this garbage? No, they want you to stay in the stock market, the bond market. They want you to have a movable property. They want you in their clutches. And they want you scared to death and desperate, because then you are more likely to accept anything that they want to cram down your throat.